Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us dragon, or a crewmate dragon, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be a simple, easy drawing, right? For beginners. So if you're a beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, you can stay, because you will be able to do this. I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and paper-wise, I'm going to be using the regular computer paper that comes right out the printer. Also, you don't have to use this. You can use a pencil or pen. You can use anything. And you can also just watch. You don't need to draw, okay? You can also just watch, chill out, kick back, get a soda. All right, let's get started. Curved line over here. That's gonna be for the lens of this dragon crewmate. All right. Curved line down. Curved line down on this side. And then at the bottom, I'm also going to curve it right there. So what does that look like? I say that every video. Every video, if you've been following me, what does that look like? Looks like a pillow. It looks like a pillow shape. All right, that looks like a pillow to me in an abstract way. I was like, oh, that's a pillow shape. So that I can remember to draw it like that in like a few months, right? When I'm like, what does that look like again? What? What is it, like an ice cube? No, pillow. All right, pillow shape. Pulling out for the snout of the dragon. Curve over here, pulling back up. Okay, that's the snout of the dragon. Dot right here, dot right here. We got the two nasal nostrils right there. Boom, see that? Two. It's just all they are is literally tiny little straight lines, right? Pulling up for the forehead. Back. All right, back. That's the top of the head. I'm going to draw the teeth, which are really just triangles, aiming downward. Okay? Just triangles. Straight line over here for the bottom part of the mouth. Pulling down, up, in. Straight line over here. Curve around the corner right there. Curve. So we got our dragon head, which is going to be the hardest part of the whole thing. Okay? Alright. Now I'm going to draw an S curve for the body. S curve. So right here I'm going to go S curve. And then over here below the neck, S curve, but it gets a little bigger as it gets to the bottom there. Alright. Now, we're going to continue downward here. Continue down here. This is going to be a little bit bigger, right? We're going to have his body back here. Okay? You with me? I'm gonna draw the wings over here, and the... Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is gonna be the legs. So I'm gonna draw a curved line here for kind of some dragon legs. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna draw a straight line down, and we're gonna draw a curved line here. 3 curved lines for the toes of the dragon. And all it is 3 simple arches like that. As easy as this looks, right? That is as easy as it is. Curving back for the flat of the foot. Curving, going straight up. And then pulling in here a little bit. Pulling in just a bit. Okay. So now I draw a curved line here for the back of the thigh right there. Okay. We got the far side foot now, which looks the same. Curve over here. See, we got that's the front of the thigh. Down. Kind of a curved line down. And we have these 3 ridges. So we have that same foot on the back. So that's the back foot, all right? Don't worry, I know what you're thinking. This doesn't look like a dragon yet. It will, don't worry. Stay with me, drawing endurance, all right? Even if you're watching, drawing endurance. We're gonna do this like we're in a training gym. Yeah, stay with me. Okay, gonna go over here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw a straight line over here, and I'm gonna do a bit of a C curve around the corner, and I'm gonna basically go into the tail. Oops. So straight line over here. And we're going to put the end of its dragon tail over here. He's an elegant dragon. And then I'm going to pull a straight line back. Over here. Going into the body here. Okay. It's a little bit thin here, so I'm probably going to create a thicker line around there to compensate for that. Let's try to like avoid the bottom of the paper here. Something like that. Let me turn my arm here. You're not going to see this for a second, so. Yeah. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, so let's do the dragon parts of him. So right off the bat, horns. One big freaking horn, right? One big horn, another horn. All they are is triangle shapes. Gonna go over here. I'm gonna draw the actual wing. So curve line here. Dip it up. Curve. So it's gonna be an arch, little one, under arch, over arch. Okay. Gonna go to the end of the wing here. Curve, curve, curve. Those same curves at the bottom. Same curves. It doesn't matter the number of them, by the way, just as long as you have them there. Also, don't forget, if you enjoy this stuff, if you enjoy Among Us or even Dragon stuff, hit this, drawing that kind of stuff or watching it, click the subscribe button and click the, what's this thing I just found here? Click the subscribe and also click the bell icon. If you enjoy this kind of thing, and I post this stuff every day, pretty much every day of the week, and the schedule's a little on and off right now, so I am kind of finding what time people like it the most, so check that out. Now let's go to the far side wing. But like I said, when you subscribe, click that bell notification or it'll never tell you anything. Right here. Over arch, under arch, but a little bit smaller, and then over arch again, right? Over, under, over. All right. Now we drew the dragon belly. So we're gonna draw a line here, an S curve for the front of the belly of the dragon. Curve over here. Like so. So underneath it goes through, behind his leg over here and underneath. And now we are going to draw these straight lines across for this dragon. One of the biggest things that makes this dragon a crewmate dragon is obviously his eye shape, the lens there. Alrighty. And also the no hands thing. And if you want, you can throw in a little, I'd like to throw in a little, maybe right here. If, these were backpacks, but they're gonna be the spikes on him. Right? Like, I want the backpack pattern shape, which looks like a loaf of bread. This could be a bunch of little loaves of bread. Oops. Right here, all the way down. I kind of want to make that, see, you understand? Same design language. Design language is a whole other thing, and that's kind of an advanced concept. If you want to see something a little bit more long or advanced, go check out my Skillshare. I have a lot of stuff on there. It's still for beginners, but it's for people who really, really want to push their drawing ability. I just draw that same shape, that same backpack shape all the way down. That is it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. You are amazing. Everybody's been so unbelievably nice to me. and I love it. I reply to every comment, and I will, you know, press the like button because that'll tell me what to post more of, okay? That is it. I'm Enrique. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw. Like I said, say hi to me in the comments. I'll reply to every single comment back. Talk to you later, and I'll talk to you soon, okay? Reach out to me.